So the kids are making cookies. Shane, what do you got there?
Snowman. Now make a hat. Yeah.
There's Shane's snowman. He's pretty cool. What else you got? Oh look, it's a heart. And the chef, how'd it work?
Here you go. You can start making stuff.
This is going to be his son.
What do you got, Carlos?
A snowman.
Okay. Here's your Play-Doh, or, cookie Play-Doh. And then you make your cookies right here. You put your cookies right there.
What are you making, Aubrey?
Make a heart, Aubrey. Make a princess.
Are you making a princess?
There's more for you, too.
Want to enjoy the CU music channel on CC Radio in your car? Crutchfield.com can help.
Make a big dress. Okay, Aubrey, let's run.
What are you making now, Carlos?
Aubrey, make this a
Another
dress.
snowman.
Cool.
Shape it as a dress, okay?
CC Radio at Crutchfield.com.
Kristen,
What do you
this
got,
is
Shane?
Another snowman.
All
and
right.
it's a kid.
Oh, the kid?
Yep.
It's his son?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Kristen, Lovey Bug. I got a kid, I got a guy and a kid.
A daddy snowman and a baby snowman?
Mm.
Wow.
Look at her. She's hot.
This kid for the lifetime. Just be big and rich.